Alright, so I want to show you this. Hey there everyone, today I will be talking about VoxCPM, a free software that you can host in your system which can generate audio in natural language as well as can clone it. And this is not my real voice. This is what a VoxCPM does. It has successfully cloned my voice, and the good thing is the software is completely free. You can host it in your system. You do not need to pay anything. For example, like in case of ElevenLabs. Not only you can clone your own voice, but you can ask software to create another voice by simply dictating the kind of voice you need. So this is what I have written as a text target, and then this is the generated voice. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here now, I am going to show you step by step how you can install this in your PC. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic AI, where we cover and talk about different AI platform that can help you to improve your productivity. Alright, so first of all here, what I'm gonna do is I am going to run a Visual Studio Code, which is absolutely free to download. You simply go on any internet browser and type download VS Code, and that's how you may able to download it. After you download this Visual Studio Code, one more software or platform that you need to download is Python. So simply go again on your browser, type download Python, which is prerequisite for this software. And from here you can simply download Python. After installing both, we are good to go. Now open Visual Studio Code as I did here already. Now I'm gonna click on open folder, and now I will be assigning a folder for this app. So let's say I'm gonna say audio, and then I'm gonna select this folder. Now the next thing here we need to do is we need to go to terminal, and now you need to type the following command. First one is to see and check whether our Python is working or not. For that, simply write Python -- version, and then you should see something like this written. If you see it says command missing or some kind of error, then you can actually click here on menu button and look for environment variable. Now here in environment variable, please make sure that Python is being added to the path. After that, type the following command, which looks like this. After running this command, let's install VoxCPM. For that, again paste the following command that you can find in the description. Now hit enter. Now here we will see that VoxCPM is getting installed. Once done, you can test whether it is working or not by typing the following command, and if it says VoxCPM installed successfully, this means that we have successfully installed in our system. Now let's generate our first audio in CLI, and then we will be installing the GUI or user interface. And here you can see how the model is warming up and loading. Alright, so here we go. We have successfully generated this first ever voice, and it is saved in the following location. Simply press Ctrl and make a left click. This will open the folder here, and then you can play this sound.
Hello, this is VoxCPM running on my computer.
So you can see we were able to generate our first ever voice successfully. Now there is one more item that would be helpful if you install. This is completely optional, but I would recommend you to install FFmpeg, and it should not take too much of time. Once this is successfully installed, you can check by typing following, which is FFmpeg version. And I am seeing this error. Seems like we need to restart our terminal. For that, let me actually restart the VS Code. Again, we are in same folder. Let's again type FFmpeg version. And there you go. We can clearly see it says FFmpeg version 8.1.1. Alright, so this kind of verify that it is successfully installed. Now after, let's install the GUI. For that, first of all, you need to have Git, and here I think I already have installed Git. If you have not, then run the following command. This will install Git in your system, and then you will be installing it. Since this is already installed, that's why I am exiting this. After installing Git, you need to type following command, which is cloning the Git repo. Now let's change the directory to VoxCPM. You can also find this directory being created inside your defined drive. So in my case it is F drive, and then this is the VoxCPM. Now in order to run GUI, you need to type following command, which is python app.py and then the port. Let's hit enter, and now you should be able to see the URL. Alright, so now open your browser and then type the following, hit enter, and there you go. We have successfully installed VoxCPM. Now if you want to clone your voice, simply drop audio here, and then you need to type here whatever you would like to generate, and then click on generate speech. This will generate speech. But let's say you do not want to clone, but you want to create a certain kind of character, like for example Donald Trump like voice in fun way. All right, and then this is the text. Maybe I can change it. Hi, my name is Donald Trump. Okay, that would be enough. And then I'm gonna click on generate voice, and now the software is very intelligent. I mean, you need to give him these kind of control instruction. Even there are certain examples. For example, a young girl with a soft sweet voice speaks slowly with the following style. So you can see that there is no punctuation, there is no you need to add comma, or you need to do lot many things. It is very easy. It is just like you are speaking someone who create the kind of voice that you need. And here what you are seeing is the time taken. So if you are not using GPU, it for sure will take more time. So you just saw, to create 2 seconds it took around 50-60 seconds. Now let's listen to this, if it is really a Donald Trump or something else.
Hi, my name is Donald Trump.
Okay, of course this is not Donald Trump voice, but we need to tweak it. We need to let it know that who the person is. So maybe in this case more information is needed, but let me actually copy this particular instruction, and let's see how now the voice is generated. Alright, so we have again regenerated this voice, and I am expecting this time to be spoken by a girl.
Hi, my name is Donald Trump.
So you can see we just gave it the following instruction, and then we are getting this kind of voice, and that too absolutely free. This match some of the best paid provider out there in the market, and everything here is installed locally. So that's again a very good thing. So that's how guys we can set up this VoxCPM, and you can utilize it for your next project. And the best part is you have installed it offline, so your data is not going anywhere, and then this is absolutely free. That's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find it helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI, and I will see you with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.